Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, let's begin with M&M then. The automotive major has bought more shares in Sampo Rosenlew, and this is with the move resulting in a controlling stake in the Finland-based harvester maker. Remember, M&M had picked up a 35% stake in the Finnish firm in the year 2016 before raising it to 49.1% over the next 4 years. The country's biggest tractor maker by volume has spent about 18 crores to increase its stake now to 74.97% in the firm. So watch out for M&M in trade. Moving on then, Maruti as well from the auto space is in focus. Citi in fact has got a buy rating with a target price at 83.50 a share. They believe that Maruti is India's top automotive pick and that Asian MNCs are dominating the Indian passenger vehicle scenario. In fact, Citi says that Maruti is slightly been impacted by the launch of Kia now, but they don't see Maruti's position within the PV sector being threatened and believe that the dominance in small cars for Maruti is only going to continue. Watch out for RITES as well. That stock continues to remain in focus with respect to some order wins, and the latest being that the company has secured a major Turkey contract for construction of road over bridges for about 205.85 crore rupees. So watch out for RITES in trade. Meantime, BPCL as well is a stock to keep an eye out on. It's on the brokerage radar as well. CLSA in fact has maintained a sell rating on the stock. They've got a target price at about 360 rupees per share, and CLSA believes that the deadline to submit the expressions of interest is the 30th of September. They believe that the massive capex cuts at global oil majors is going to be a big disadvantage for the company. And in fact, CLSA says that the super majors acquisition behavior suggests that there's going to be limited interest in refining. In fact, going forward, CLSA has said that the quick closure of divestment is going to be difficult. Remember here, they're talking about the privatization of BPCL. It's been an ongoing process, something as well that investors have been looking forward to. With the deadline looming large, is there something that is actually going to culminate? Remains a big question mark, and the future of BPCL very contingent on that. They believe, as I said, that it's a sell rating on the stock with a target price of 360, saying that the deadline to submit the expression of interest is the 30th of September, which is just a few days away. And finally, watch out for GAIL. GAIL has gone ahead and said that the ONGC plant fire has cut nearly 30 mmcm SCMD supply of gas, and the gas supplies to the end users has been cut by 40%, citing force majeure. It is continuing to maintain supplies for the city gas distribution.